If you're not having issue with upload speed or constant frame drops when going live, this video is for you. I was facing a similar issue with the Starlink I purchased, dealing with inconsistent upload speed and frame drops. First, make sure your LAN cable is properly plugged in and that you're not streaming via Wi-Fi. Second, open OBS Studio up and go to Settings, click Advanced, and scroll down to Network in the section and check this box dynamically. Okay, click Apply. What this does is automatically lower your bitrate in OBS when your upload speed fluctuates or drops, helping to prevent frame drops and disconnects. Viewer may notice temporary quality drops instead of a broken stream, which is a win. Setting about done. If you're still facing issue, let's move on to the next steps. So you need to follow these steps carefully and do exactly what I do, okay? So output, you're gonna put that on advanced. Alright. Video encoder X264, rate control CBR, bitrate 5500. If you're on a lower PC, feel free to go low as 2500. Keyframe interval 2. CPU usage preset, very fast. Profile I, tune low latency or zero latency. The X264 option, leave that empty. Thank you very much. Now that the part is done, head over to video setting. So we'll go right here, base canvas, resolution 1920 by 1080. Output scale, resolution 1664 by 936. Don't scale filter, select this one right here. Okay, good. FPS 60. If things still get bad, try keeping 1664 by 936 but switch to 50 FPS or 30 FPS. This depends on your internet connection. So here is the last test, but do not do this if you already seen improvements. Go to advanced settings and set process priority above normal, render direct 3D 11, color format NV12, color space rec.709, color range limited. If you have any question regarding to this, if you need assistance, feel free to comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. That's it for the end of the video. Have a wonderful day. Feel free to drop a like and drop a sub if you find this video very helpful. Have a good day.